Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So another exciting video on ticker symbol XELA, which is for XELA. And like I made a video previously on XELA, and this thing has been running nicely because on Friday it was up almost 15%. And if you look at last 5 days of chart, you can see it has been going up, right? It has a nice pop, another nice pop, and maintaining the level. It's not coming back down. Especially end of Friday, look what happened. Whole day moved sideways and end of the day started pushing. So in this particular video, I'm going to talk about the support, resistance, the chart, the short interest, option chain activity, and many more things. And if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, at the same time join my community. So XELA, I think the last video was on XELA. It was around 0.64. Then from 0.64, if you see the chart, it went almost like 0.7 something. Not a big deal, came down, but now again it is setting up for the next level up. And this is also a good stock for us for day trading. As an example, last Friday when we alerted over our community, the alert was getting around 0.54, 0.55. Nice day trade because it was up almost 18%. We did a nice job on this particular one. The other one we started ticker symbol IO from the bottom. So currently we are up almost 30%, currently at 20%, but I see it can fill the gap. It can go towards 0.5, which will give us at least 30% gain. Maybe we can go to 0.5 or 0.61. That is another thing. Anyway, if you like this kind of early alert with chart, support, resistance, everything, please join my community. I have a Patreon. The link will be in the description and also in the first comment. Join my community. At the same time, get access to my Discord for early alerts so that you can make day trading, swing trading, and sometimes option trade as well. So let's look at XELA. So first of all, if you go to NASDAQ, what you can see that it has a strong buy rating with the average price target of $4 with a high of 5 and a low of 3. And if you look at the chart for XELA, I will just zoom out. I just want to show you. Maybe I'll just go on a 2-hour chart because I want to show you more data. So oh wow. And I'm going to hide everything because I'm day trading on this one. That is why I have so many lines. So anyway, you can see that the price was around $1, right? Then it went to 3.5 in March. It went all the way to 7.5, came back to 1.5, again another push over 5.5 July last year. And since then, this thing has been coming down. The market is terrible. Everything is going down. But if you look at the chart, you will see some nice thing. I will come back to the chart. I will talk more about the downtrend and the reversal. Before that, let's look at few other things. So on last Friday, the volume was around 61 million. In general, the average volume is 47 million. So meaning that it has been getting more volume. Also, if we want to see day by day volume, what you can see here, whenever it has nice volume pop, the price went up. Nice volume, price went up. But what is happening recently? Again, big spike in volume coming, meaning that people are again interested on this particular one. And if this thing continues to get more volume, I think it will go higher. Last time we had volume around 400 million plus. Recently we got something like let's see, like 250 something, 268 million, right? So if we can get more volume over 300 million, this thing will move again. Already whoever bought around 35 cents, you have doubled your money, so congratulations. In terms of short interest, if you go to Fintel, you will see the short interest is only 2.7%, dark pool is 56%, not a big deal. 6.3 million shares are available to short. The borrow fee rate is 3.56. In terms of short interest, those kind of things is still not the great setup, but in terms of the chart, this thing is going higher and higher. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete everything. Let's make it easy. So if you see the chart here, right, and if you say this is a downtrend, you can draw many different lines. So it has been making lower high. That's the reality, right? And if I join these lines here, you can see lower high at the same time lower low. So it has been bouncing. So that is why for day trade or swing trade, still this is a good one, right? It is going higher. It might go back. Maybe it will touch around 0.9, 0.8 or $1. Then it might pull back. Or if there is enough strength, it will break this downtrend and it will start going higher. So that is the overall picture. If you plan to hold it for long term, then watch the trend, because if it can't break the trend, it will come down. Recently it has some few good news, some good catalysts, that is why this thing is moving higher. So it might continue, go back to 0.8 or $1, then again it can come back. So what's the overall trend? First of all, right, this is what is happening. Now let's deep dive in and let's look at a closer level. So using the 2-hour chart, I'm going to add a few more lines here just to show you that there is a 1.5 resistance. Then I will come down, I will come back right around here, $1. You can see one was a resistance, sorry, it was a support, then it became a resistance, right? So that is what I'm talking about, $1. Also, if I look in this area on the sides here, right, I see something around 0.7, 0.8, and it worked because it was a previous support, and when we pushed this time, you see it got rejected here. So definitely we have a resistance around 0.65, 0.7 area. We have to break this. Once we break this 0.7, 0.8 area, I think it will move towards 0.8, 0.9, $1 something. So in terms of short trades, so this is what I'm saying. If you're here for day trading, definitely each morning we update the chart based on pre-market price action. If you are a swing trader, and then have a look on these lines here, right? So a line around 0.54. So we broke through, we hit 0.75, came down, but what we did not broke through that support, right? We did not broke through the support. So we held 0.54, now it is going higher. If the thing is continuing, then hopefully it will push again, it will go back to 0.7, 0.75, let's say in this area again. Some people also use moving average, like for day trade I like moving average. So if this is a 1-hour chart, you can see the purple line, which is 9 EMA, and the blue line is 20 EMA. This is actually turning bullish. You see, whenever the purple line is over the blue line, this goes up, right? Then when it starts coming down, price comes down. So looking at this and also looking at the after hour price action, this thing is looking actually really nice. Now on Monday, if we see the market is terrible, it is red, it can come down. So one thing you can do, you can wait for 0.54, 0.55 in this area to get in with a stop loss for sure, and you can do a day trade or a swing trade. Or if you see this thing is going higher, maybe the trigger will be, can it break 0.75? If it can break 0.75, goes up, comes back to 0.75 with a strong volume, then you can again enter at 0.75, 0.66 and ride the wave all the way to $1. Recently they had a news with $1 thing, so maybe check that news as well. Some people also use other indicators, so how things are moving up. So another indicator I also like, sometimes you can see that whenever the green starts, the price starts going higher, it goes to the top, then price starts coming down, this thing comes down, then it goes to the red thing, and again you can see the red is almost finishing up. In that case, if the trend is continuing, we will see some green bars here, the price will go higher. So this is the stock price thing. The other thing is, if you like option trading, you can always buy option. The nearest option is February 18th. The implied volatility is very high. Keep that in mind. So get in, get out. Some of the Discord members, they bought some options way before the run up when it was 35%. They are up over 100%, 200%. That is different. But for now, the implied volatility is very high. So in case XELA moves sideways or it comes down, you will lose money. It's not very expensive. $1 strike call option is 0.06, meaning that it is only $6. So you are betting that by 18th of February it will go to 1.06. It's not very expensive. If you want, you can buy. If you believe it will go to $1, more than $1, that is another thing. Or if you really love this particular stock, why not buy a long expiry? Let's say next year January, which is like 357 days from now, buy a call option for $30. If you think by next 1 year it will go to 1.3, just buy it. As long as the share price is going higher, you will make money. Whenever you are happy, just sell, lock your profit. Anyway, these are some ideas you have to trade. I'm not a financial advisor. Just do your own research before you buy or sell any stock. Again, things are looking really nice. I love XELA. It is getting more volume. As long as it is getting more volume, I think it will go higher. It has been beaten down a lot, so it is time for this to go up. Also, Nasdaq has a rating of $4 with a strong buy. Anyway, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Also, if you like alert and chart based trading, then please join my community so that we can all trade together as a community. We learn, we earn, and we make money. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.